How to trade Forex on Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap on the Trade section to access available markets. Here you will see a wide range of currency pairs to choose from. Select the Forex pair you want to trade, for example, Euro or USD. Tap on it to open the trading interface. Now decide whether you want to place a buy order if you think the price will go up, or a sell order if you expect the price to go down. Enter the trade volume you want to invest. You can also set a stop loss or take profit levels to manage your risks and lock in profits automatically. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the confirm button to execute your trade. After placing the trade, you can monitor its progress in the open position section, where you will see real-time profit or loss updates. When you are ready to close the trade, simply tap on the position and select close order. Your profit or loss will be updated instantly in your account balance. Now you know how to trade Forex on Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.